So today is a blessed day. Guys, not only Gracie graduate, but look at what Danny found. Gracie finally got to pet a bird today. Look at that. It was under Danny's truck. Go pet it, Gracie.
You want to hold him, Grayson?
Why you get to know my thing? No? Pet it. Oh.
Put both your hands together. Hold him good.
He's alive.
Put your hands together.
Beautiful.
Don't be scared. Hold your hands together.
Ah.
Don't let him go. Hold him.
Beautiful. This is a one-time experience, Grayson. How does it feel, Grayson?
Huh?
How does it feel?
Great.
Ah. It's beautiful.
You want to give him back to Grandpa now? You scared?
Wait, so what are you going to do with him?
I gotta feed him so that he can get. Wow.
He's moving.
Yes, he's moving.
He's a.
Thanks, Danny.
He's a. He's a.
One got me notice a two bird fly out of the nest, but me know one got one, him mother fly that way.
That's what I'm saying.
Friday like one that put him back up there because maybe he stay a dirty cat.
Give him sit on the ground, the cat go eat him.
No, it's the dirt plant. Oh.
Nice job.
You notice
I've never
look like cat eat one in the backyard there, they can see one wing.
a wing left out there.
Wing out there, the feathers on it.
Nice. I always like to go on there and watch the birds.